welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Virginia and I love everything travel, fashion, and Disney. So if you're interested in any of those things, please consider subscribing. Today I am so excited because I'm going to do an unboxing. I haven't done something like this since Christmas actually, so it's been a while and I love doing these sorts of videos as well. So today I am unboxing a Louis Vuitton purse that I just recently got. This is a bag that I have been wanting for a while now and it's been unavailable, but luckily the lady who usually helps us get our Louis Vuitton products, she was able to find it for us, and I'm so excited that I finally have this bag and get to add it to my collection because it's just such a beautiful bag that I know that I'm going to be able to use like all the time. It's very versatile and I just know that I'm going to be in love with it. So let's do it. I don't ever like to untie it, so I just kind of slide it off every single time. This is the first time that I'm even looking at it as well, so I'm super excited. But it's the pink Multi-Pochette. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I just love how it has two different sizes at the bottom, and this is so cute. And I had been wanting the pink really bad. I think the khaki is gorgeous as well, but I just wear pink so much more. So I knew that it was what I really wanted. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. The chain just really adds like a little bit of extra character to the purse. And I think this is so cute. I think that's such a good idea. But I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It's such a great everyday bag, I think. And the pink really adds a really good pop of color that I'm in love with. So, here it is up close. And the pink strap, so you can see it. Now I'm gonna open up the bag a little bit to show the inside. This little one is so cute to me. Like, it's perfect just for if you want to put like your license or a little bit of money or, you know, a lipstick, something small in it. I think that's such a cute idea to have that on the side. So this is the size of it, the inside. Let's open up these two as well. Here's that one. Honestly, it's a little bit bigger than I imagined it, which is a good thing. So I just really think that it's like the perfect size for an everyday thing because you can put so much stuff in it, especially with the two different pouches in the front. And then the big one. There it is. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. One purse that I'm thinking of is I have an Eva as well, and this is even a little bit bigger than that because the Eva is just shorter than this. So I was kind of worried that this big one would be about the same size as the Eva, like going up, but it's actually a little bit bigger, so I think that will be nice because I'll be able to fit a little bit more in it. And the front end is so cute as well. It's just such a beautiful bag. Obviously the strap can be adjusted, but yes, there it is on. It's so pretty. Another thing that I absolutely love about this purse is just how versatile it is. So you can wear it with this beautiful pink strap, of course, or you can take it off And you have the perfect little evening bag, which is so cute. You can use the chain as the strap for that. And you could also take this off and connect it on here if you just wanted to use the strap, or you could disconnect one of the bags and just use one and use it alone. So that's another thing that I absolutely love about this bag, is that you can have it for so many different purposes. You can create so many different looks with it, and it's just gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I think that this is a gorgeous bag, and I can't wait to use it. So thanks for watching.